Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I show you make a sketch effect with two different software. Please tell us in comment box which software is best. In first software, I show you in Photoshop. Take a image and duplicate the image layer. Select image layer and drag on new layer icon for duplicate. Now take a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Set saturation value is -100. Now select image layer. Now go to image option. Then go to adjustments option and select invert option. You can use shortcut Ctrl+I. Now open blending option. Select color dodge option. Now go to filter and go to blur and choose Gaussian blur option. Set blur value according to your choice. For my image, 22 is perfect value. Now select all three layers and press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+C for merge all layer on new layer. Now select new merge layer and go to filter option and choose filter gallery option. Select sketch folder and open sketch folder and choose photocopy filter. Now set filter value, details and darkness according to your choice. Adjust details sliders and darkness sliders for set value. Now, sketch effect ready in Photoshop. Now I show you. Create same effect in CorelDraw. First step, open our import image in CorelDraw. Now select image and go to effects menu and go to adjust and select hue saturation lightness option. You can press shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+U. Set master saturation value -100. Now copy or duplicate the image. You can use shortcut Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste or Ctrl+D for duplicate. Now, select copy image and go to effect menu and go to transform option and select invert colors option. Now, take transparency tools and go to blending option. Open blending panel and choose color dodge option. Now, go to effect menu and go to blur option and choose Gaussian blur option. And choose Gaussian blur radius value according to your choice. For my sample image, 26 is best. You can set according to your images. Now select all images. Go to bitmaps option, choose convert to bitmaps option. Fill high value in resolution. For my image 900 is perfect and hit OK. Now go to bitmaps menu and choose mode options and select black and white option. Set threshold value according to your choice. Now your sketch effect is ready in CorelDraw. It's totally editable. You can also change outline color, background color in one click. Now we are going to compare. Import Photoshop export sketch file and place side of CorelDraw images. Decrease the size, and we are going to change little bit color of CorelDraw sketch images. Now here is two images, left create in CorelDraw and right create in Photoshop. Please tell us in comment section which image is best and which software is best for editing. For new video and tutorials, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.